2021 Lexus IS. With less than 47,000 miles on the odometer, this sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. Never get bored with the numerous premium built-in features such as cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, cooled front seats, power driver seat, power passenger seat, pass-through rear seat. Schedule a test drive now before this model is gone.